Hello and welcome. My name is Winfred. I'm a teacher. I teach English and literature. And today I want to welcome you to watch my video. Hello and welcome. My name is Winfred. I'm a teacher. I teach English and literature. So today we are going to look at a grade 8 class reader, Bridges Without Rivers and Other Short Stories. Unlike what we have in grade 7, in this class reader, it is a book that has a number of short stories. Actually, there are how many? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 short stories, and one of them is called Bridges Without Rivers. So you have Game Over, A Good Turn, now Bridges Without Rivers, Boys' Games, The Long Walk, Wesley One, and Adjoa. Talking of Adjoa, today I want us to look at that short story. It is the last short story in this book, and it is written by this short story is written by Amaata Aido. I really hope I've read it in the right way. So it is in page 59 of our book, 59 to page number 63. It is a really short. It is a short story. So let me look at the plot. Before we can even talk of the plot, let me do a quick introduction to the three characters that we have in the book. We have the main character, Adjoa, and that's why the short story is named after her. We have her mother, Mommy, and we have her grandmother, Nana. So they are the only characters that help in developing this short story. So let's look at the plot. A plot in a short story, a plot in a novel, the plot refers to how the events follow each other in a written work. Now, in the very opening in page 59, we are introduced to this young girl who is 7 years old. She's born in a very big village, in Ghana. And Ghana is in Africa, and food there is this land is very fertile, so food there is plenty. And the very opening we find Nana complaining about Adjoa and how every time that she eats food, she doesn't finish the food. She leaves some on a plate, and Nana is not happy about this behavior, this habit, from this young girl. And Adjoa, being 7 years old, she's wondering, why is it a problem? Every time Nana could tell her, you do not know what problems there are in this life. And she was wondering, problems? Really problems? So the only problem that she knew at a young age is the fact that she didn't have language to communicate her thought, proper language, for that proper language to communicate her thought. In page number 60, she's talking about this one time that she really wanted to some information from Nana. So she went and talked to Nana, but Nana laughed at the idea, what she was inquiring about. She laughed and laughed and laughed. She told another person and another person, and they all laughed at this young girl. And every time Nana could tell her never to repeat that again. Don't repeat what you've told me ever again to other people. So from the time she was born, that is in a page number 61, she's she thought she knew that Nana and Mommy were fighting over the issue of her legs. What was wrong with her legs? From the time she was born, Nana was happy. Yeah, she was born, she was a girl, but she didn't like how her legs appeared. They were long and thin. So Nana thought that they were not good for this young girl. These legs were not good for this young girl. Yeah, she, in her own way of thinking, she thought that a girl was okay supposed to have thin and thick legs. She preferred thin and short. I'm sorry, thick and short legs. Yeah, she believed that these thin and short legs were helpful. They were helpful in performing meaningful village activities, such as carrying, water from maybe after fetching the water, carrying loads that heavy luggage, walking long distances. Yeah, so she didn't like how Adjoa, appeared and how she looked from the time she was born. But her mother, in this page number 61, her mother, mommy, Adjoa's mother, yeah, she's okay. She's telling Nana, not to complain about this young girl. She should be thankful that she was born and she has legs. There are people out there that do not have legs. Yeah, so they should appreciate the fact that she was born with legs. In page number 62 and 63, we can call it a game changer. A game changer, yeah, like what is changing? Nana's attitude towards this girl. When Adjoa was okay in school, she was okay good in sports. She ran for the junior section of her school in the country games, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, in the country games. And she was performing pretty well. Yeah, she was performing well. Her Nana had to go to school to confirm that she was a good runner. And when it was confirmed that she was doing well in all her races, Nana's attitude changed. She will wash for the girl, iron for the girl, and even follow them at their competition. Yeah, she will even cheer, yeah, for the girl. Yeah, and this one day, in page number 61, 63, there's this one day, 62, 63, that Joa, when they attended a competition, she went there and she performed well and even she won a trophy. Imagine who carried the trophy. Yeah, you're right. Nana carried the trophy to her village. Yeah, everyone was shown the trophy, and later she carried it back to school. So she was proud of this young girl. So finally, she appreciates the thin, long legs. Yeah, you know. So this short story has a teaching, a moral teaching, that we should not judge people from how they appear. Mm? When she was born, her Nana didn't see anything good in those thin, long legs. She preferred thick, short legs, like I've told you. But what happened finally? Yeah, the girl proved them wrong. Yeah, she proved that even these thin legs, yeah, they're helpful. Yeah, so we learned that we should not judge people. Okay, so done with the plot of this short story. I'll like now to go to the language use and the styles in this short story, and I'll start with the dialogue. So in page number 61, we have a dialogue between Nana and Mommy. A dialogue is a conversation between two people. So they're talking about how this girl appeared to be, how her legs were thin, yeah, and all that. Yeah, that's a dialogue. So dialogues are not many in this short story. Mm. So that's a dialogue in page number 61. Another style that we have simile. simile is a way of comparing when you compare two, two items, but when you're comparing, you compare them with the word such as like, as if, So we have a simile in page number 63. Nana carried the trophy on her back like they do with babies or other precious things. So we are comparing how Nana carried that trophy with how we carry babies on our back. So that is a simile. We have a metaphor. Metaphor is in page number 61. So, okay, metaphor in page number 61. Mommy must have been discussing my legs when I came out of the land of sweet, soft silence. This is okay, land of sweet, soft silence into the world. Okay, we are comparing her mother's belly. Before the baby is born, there is where they are made, in her mother's womb. So she's comparing her mother's tummy, how she was how silent that land is with this land of sweet, soft silence. So that's a metaphor. Metaphor is a way of comparing, but in metaphor we don't use words like such as like. So it is one-on-one, comparing her mother's tummy and her mother's belly with this land of sweet, soft silence. Okay, we have repetition. Repetition is found in page number 60, where Nana could laugh and laugh and laugh. That repetition. Yet we have another repetition in page number 63. Nana called iron and iron and iron. Yeah, Rick, I've told you we have another style, moral teaching. I've told you this short story as a moral teaching. So I will not repeat that moral teaching, to appreciate everybody, how they look, how they are created. We appreciate them, So yet we have rhetorical questions. Rhetorical questions, these are questions that do not require answers, Rather, they are meant to provoke a reader in the grade 8 learners, you're the readers, So they're meant to provoke a reader into thinking about the matters being talked about. In page number 60, all that in page number 60, there's this part, and I'll read it for you. All that seen because of whatever I had said. We have a rhetorical question there. So there are many. Kindly get them. These you may find that they're there. They're only meant to help the reader think about the issues, like all that seen because of what I had said. She wants you to think about what she had told her grandmother, and the fact that they were laughing and informing other people about it and all that. Then we have ellipses. Ellipsis is in a page number 62. It is the act of leaving out a word or words from a written work, when the meaning can be, understood without them. So like in page number 61, there's this part where we have a dialogue between mommy and Nana. There's this part where Nana would mommy is asking Nana, mother, why are you always complaining about Adjoa's legs? If you ask me, those three dots, those are three dots, So there are words that have been left, So there we have ellipses. So kindly add to any other style that you get that I've not talked about. And right about now, I'm going to the themes. I only have 3 themes. So theme number 1, theme of education. Adjoa is in school. She's competing in school. Mommy says that she wants her to go and acquire knowledge. Nana didn't take mommy to school. So mommy wants her daughter to be different. She wants her to go to school and acquire the knowledge. Mommy felt that she was in darkness because she didn't gain knowledge. So we have them of education. We have them of change. Who changes in the book? Yeah, thank you. Nana changes her attitude. When the girl was born, yeah, she was wondering, what is okay good in these thin long legs. But when the girl proved that they were helpful, she could run, she could win trophies, her attitude changed. Yes, we have a theme of change. Traditions. Nana is a traditional woman, yeah, she wants the girl, she believes or she prefers thick, short legs. Why? She wants a girl to be married. She wants a girl to help in the community. She wants a girl to work in the community, carry water, walk for long distances, like and marry later. So that's traditional, yeah. She doesn't want the girl to go to school. That's traditional. Right now, girls are in school. Girls are big people in our community, yeah. Like they're lawyers, doctors, call them, yeah. So that is okay. Traditional, yeah, to have a girl not going to school. So we have a theme of traditions there, a traditional theme, yeah. So and finally we'll I'll finish this analyzing this book by looking at the character trait of these three characters. So I'll begin with our main character. She's inquisitive. She's eager for knowledge. She wants to know. In page number 59, she asks for information. She wants her grandmother to she's asking her grandmother a lot of questions, and that's why the grandmother is discouraging her by telling her never to repeat that again. She's even laughing at the girl. That's why our main character is inquisitive. She's even keen. She's young, only 7 years old, but she can tell that from the time she was born, Nana and Mommy have been arguing about how she appeared to be. She's even keen to note that every time they're with Nana, Nana keeps on looking at her, looking at those thin, long legs. Yeah, she's hopeful, positive, optimistic. Yeah, she remains positive even after the negative comment from her Nana about her legs. Yeah, she's positive. She's hopeful, and hope is okay. At the end of our book, we find that uh, hope is confirmed that she proves that she can run. We have Nana. Number one, she's pessimistic. Yeah, she's a negative. Like she doesn't think positively about anything. Mainly Adjoa. From the time she was born, she began to complain about the girl. She began to complain about the girl's legs. Yeah, and she didn't think that the girl can prove to be helpful, or those legs can be useful. Yeah. Then we talk about Nana being a hard working grandma. After she learned that Adjoa can run, and after she changed her attitude, Nana, remember, Nana is a mother too, mommy, and mommy has a daughter 7 years old. So Nana is not like a young lady; she's an old woman, but she's able to wash every day for Adjoa, iron for her, carry the trophy, for those long distances that they had to walk to go and compete. Mm. And she's even, showing off. She has the energy to inform everybody in the community that her granddaughter is involved in this competition and all that. So Nana is a hard working woman. Another character, she's a terrible complainer. From the time this girl was born, she's complaining, the girl should not go to school. The girl has thin legs, yeah. So she's a terrible complainer. She's ungrateful, yeah. From the time the girl was born, even mommy is telling her, we should be grateful that, she has legs. There are people out there who do not have legs, yeah, but she's ungrateful. The granddaughter has legs, but she doesn't like them. Yeah, why? They are thin and long. Okay, thank you. If you come up with any other character trait of Adjoa and Nana, kindly add to the few that I've talked about. And finally, I'll talk about Mommy. Mommy is grateful that she has a daughter. Yeah, she appreciates the daughter. She's encouraging the daughter. She's even a fighter. She puts up a fight anytime that Nana is complaining about Adjoa's legs. And there is a part where Nana is telling Mommy that there is no need of taking Adjoa to school, for she will be married finally. But Mommy is a good fighter. She's okay, like, you didn't take me to school. I feel that I've been in a darkness throughout my life, so I want this one to change with my daughter. Mm. Thank you. So I want to encourage you to add to any other character trait, any other theme, yeah, and any other style that you come up with in the book. Now that this one is the final story, I know you know how to look for the plot. Yeah, having done all those other short stories, you are at a better position to add to the few points that I've given you. So thank you very much. Yeah, and join me. I'll be doing the Daughter of Nature and other short story. Kindly, like, subscribe, and you can even hit the bell, the notification bell, in that when I put up any new video, you can watch, and I'm very sure you will enjoy, and you will have some knowledge in this class reading.